Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jami'ul mu'minin. I hope you are well and happy. And I hope you remember me as well.
If you are happy, I am happy.
Okay. It's very important. Huzoor happy. My question is, Huzoor, with regards to Huzoor answer given during a mulakat session with Canadian Khudam, where Huzoor referred to those who did not take up vaccine as totally ignorant and they shouldn't be in the office holder. So I was one of those who actually did not want to take up the vaccine initially. However, as soon as I heard this particular message from Huzoor, I immediately went to take the vaccine. So my question is, Huzoor, why did Huzoor say that we are totally ignorant? What is it that we are unaware of? Can Huzoor please elaborate? Jazakallah.
The thing is that there is a hadith of the Holy Prophet ﷺ that whatever you like for yourself, you like for others. Right? So, because I did it, I asked the other people that it is more beneficial for you to have vaccine than not to have. Right? This is why I asked. And that I asked that those who are not having this vaccine, they think they are doing according to their own wish, and this is not something which is wrong. But in my view, if you don't take vaccine, you are not only exposing yourself to this disease, but also being trying to be the source of spreading the disease to the others. So this is why, for the sake of others, we should get ourselves vaccinated with this COVID vaccine. And as far as my knowledge is concerned, I discussed it with so many scientists and doctors, and most of them are of the view, although there are some of them who are against it, and they say there is nothing beneficial in having vaccine, but most of them, they say, and they prove it, that it is, the results are quite promising. We cannot say that 100% of the people will be cured and will be saved from the disease. No. But quite a good percentage of them has better results even if they had this disease. It was not that much fatal. So this is why, in my view, it is better that Ahmadis should take this vaccine. See? But even I cannot force you. I did not say that all office bearers who have not taken vaccine should be removed from their offices. I said, it was my passing remark, that they should not remain in the office. So that means they themselves should be careful with my words, that it's how important I consider this vaccine. Right? If you have not taken it, I cannot say.
I've taken already.
I don't say you are mad, but I can say you are ignorant. Or because of the knowledge of the ignorance with regards to the knowledge of this vaccine. Otherwise, I do not say you don't have the wisdom. You might be quite wise person. You are a religious person. You know about religion. In that regard, you are not ignorant. But with regards to this vaccine or the remedy of this disease, you are ignorant. I do not say you are ignorant in every respect. No, I did not mean that. Okay? Okay. Right.
Jazakallah.